Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is a huge pleasure to have you here. My video about rust removal and paint stripping discs for the angle grinder is having a lot of visualizations. I put the link in the description and here in the corner. Be sure to check it out. As it is such a success, I decided to make some others about different discs you can use on the angle grinder or on the drill. You already know how useful these tools are in DIY. You can use them to do different things using different discs or bits. In this video I will show you how to make a cleaning disc that I have never seen in any hardware store, with some basic items that can be found in any house. This kind of disc is used to clean or to polish any surface. In my opinion, for this task, the drill at low RPM is the best tool to be used so that you can get a better control and a better finish. The pink one is a piece of rubber that can be used to give some rigidity to the disc. You can use different materials if you want more or less rigidity. I use the sandpaper disc for measure reference. Using the sandpaper disc, draw the circle and the center of the disc. Here I'm making two different cleaning discs. Then cut the disc and the hole in the center, folding the disc or using the drill. Now place the rubber disc on the cloth that you want to use. Leave the cloth bigger than the rubber, so that you can fold it around the edge of the rubber disc. With needle and thread, sew the cloth to the rubber. And you get the polishing disc that has to be used with the same support of the sandpaper discs. If the rubber is too rigid, you can make 4 cuts in the rubber, as in the sandpaper discs, to ease the mounting on the support. Let's see how it works on this dirty and ruined rear view mirror. Not bad, isn't it? I used these 3 different cloths to get to this result. Remember to always use glasses and mask for dust protection of your eyes and lungs. That's all I have for you today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please subscribe and click the bell for the notifications. Thanks for watching.